Automating receipt and invoice import.
Tired of manual data entry in budgeting apps? Find out how automating the import of receipts and invoices can save you time and reduce errors. By linking your apps, you can streamline expense tracking and focus on what matters most: efficient money management.
Choosing the right budgeting app.
Start by selecting a budgeting app that supports integration with other tools. Popular options like YNAB, Mint, and QuickBooks often allow you to connect with various platforms and services, making it easier to automate the import process for your receipts and invoices.
Integrating with email and cloud storage.
Many budgeting apps let you connect your email or cloud storage accounts. Set up integrations with Gmail, Outlook, Google Drive, or Dropbox, so receipts and invoices emailed to you or saved in the cloud can be automatically imported, categorized, and matched with your expenses.
Using Receipt Scanner and OCR tools.
Leverage built-in receipt scanner features or third-party apps that use optical character recognition, OCR. Tools like Expensify or Receipt Bank extract data from photos of receipts and sync directly with your budgeting app, reducing manual entry and improving accuracy.
Setting up automation platforms.
Automation platforms such as Zapier or IFTTT can further enhance the process. Create workflows that automatically move new receipts or invoices from email or cloud storage directly into your budgeting app. Customize these automations to suit your business or personal needs.
Ensuring data security and accuracy.
Protect your financial data by enabling two-factor authentication and choosing reputable apps. Regularly review imported receipts and invoices to ensure categories are correct, and make adjustments as needed. Automation increases efficiency, but consistent oversight helps maintain accuracy.